Everyone, you will start relative density and its measurement by Archimedes principle. So first to start, what is density? The density of a substance is defined as mass per unit volume. Okay, so what is the formula? That is mass of the substance by volume of the substance. That is m by v. This stands for density, symbol rho. So rho is equal to m by v, that is mass by volume. So it is a scalar quantity. Okay, what is the unit of density? You know, mass unit kg and volume meter cube. So SI unit kg per meter cube and CGS unit is gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, now they have a relation. The relationship between SI and CGS units of density. So as the SI unit what? 1 kg per meter cube. So converted to gram. So 1000 gram by 1 meter with 100 centimeter whole cube. So what became 10 to the power 3, here 10 to the power 6 gram per cubic centimeter. Became what? 10 to the power minus 3 gram per cubic centimeter. So 1 kg per meter cube is equal to, in CGS what happened? 10 to the power minus 3 gram per cubic centimeter. Or 1 gram per cubic centimeter is equal to 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. This is the relation. Okay, now, so one factor affect the density, that is temperature. So the effect of temperature. You know, on heating, most of substances expand. So volume increases, but mass remains same. Therefore, density is inversely proportional to temperature, but mass constant. So, but one exception case is there for water. You know, water shows anomalous behavior. On heating, it contrasts from 0 to 4 degree. So 4 degree, its volume is less. So at 4 degree, it has maximum density. So density of water is maximum at 4 degree, that is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So this is, don't forget this, remember exception case of water. The maximum density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter at 4 degrees centigrade. Okay. So now come to the relative density. What is relative density? You know the word relative. Relative means you have to find the density in with respect to another. So here what I have taken, you know, density of water. Density of water. How much? 1 gram per cubic centimeter at 4 degree. You take this is standard. This is what? Standard. So we have to find the density of any other substance with respect to density of water at 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So what is the definition? The relative density of a substance is the ratio of density of that substance to the density of water at 4 degree. So now write relative density is equal to that density of a substance by density of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we convert this. Density of water means what? Density, that mass of substance by volume of the substance. So what you can write? You can write mass per volume. You can write mass of unit volume of substance by mass of unit volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what happened? So here volume, unit volume. So you take a certain volume. You can write mass of certain volume of a substance by mass of an equal volume of water at 4 degrees Celsius. So what happened? You can write the formula. What? So RD relative density is equal to what? Mass of substance by mass of water, but who is constant? Same volume at what? Same volume. So we can write another definition. The relative density of substance is also defined as the ratio of mass of a certain volume of substance to the mass of an equal volume of water at 4 degree. So this is definition you can write, or this decimal you can write. So RT is equal to what? Mass of certain volume of a substance by mass of an equal volume of water at 4 degree. So what is the unit? As it is a ratio, it has no unit. Relative density has no unit. It is a ratio. So what happen? So now come a relation between relative density and density. You know, relative density is equal to what? Density of substance. Density of substance, you take it as gram per cubic centimeter by density of water. There what? 1 gram per what? cm3. So this unit to be cancel, divided by 1. What remain only? Only remain density of substance. Density of substance. So suppose one example I will tell you. Density of copper is 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter. So what is the relative density? Only numerical value. What is it? You write only this is the numerical value. Numerical value of density of what? Density. Numerical value will write only numerical, that is 8.9. Again I am telling, if density of copper is 8.9 gram per cubic centimeter, what is the relative density? Only 8.9. Only 8.9 you have to remember. Okay. So this is about relative density and unit. It has no unit. Okay. Now come to determination of a relative density of a solid substance by Archimedes principle. By what? Archimedes principle. So how will find the relative density of a solid substance by using Archimedes principle? So now write RD. Relative density is what? Mass of the body. I told the formula by what? Mass of water. Mass of water at 4 degrees Celsius, but equal volume of up to that body of equal volume of the body. Okay. But what have you know? You know Archimedes principle, you know that the mass of water of volume equal to that of body obtained when the mass of water is displaced by the body. When it is when the body is completely immersed in water, the water displaced. That the weight of that displaced water is equal to what? That weight of that is volume of the body. So you can write another way. The mass of the body, mass of a body or the body by mass of water displaced. Mass of water displaced by the body. Alright. So you can change that in another formula. Mass or body, you can write weight, convert to weight. So what happen? Weight of the body by weight of water displaced. Weight of water displaced. Weight of water displaced. So what happen? So now weight of the body, you can write weight of the body by. So now weight of water displaced. What is that? How know weight of water displaced? That is the loss of weight. That is what? Loss of weight. That you can write loss of weight. Loss of weight of the body in water. Due to what? Due to upthrust. Okay. So what is the formula? Weight of the body by loss of weight of the body in water due to upthrust. So you can write how? Suppose weight of body is equal to W. Or not? So weight of body in water is equal to W1. So what is relative density? Weight of the body W by loss of weight W minus what? W1. So this is the formula. You can derive. First you find the weight of the body, then weight of the body in water. So you minus, you get the loss in weight. So W by W minus W1. Okay. Now we'll determination of a relative density of liquid by Archimedes principle. So what happen? You have to find the relative density of a liquid. So you know, according to the definition, relative density is what? Definition that weight of a given volume of a liquid by weight of same volume of water, or not? You know the definition. But what happen? According to Archimedes principle, if a solid is immersed in a liquid or water, it displaces the liquid or water equal to its own volume. It displaces. Therefore, you can write the definition like this: weight of the liquid displaced by a body by weight of water displaced by the same body, or not? So what happen? You get this formula. So what happen? Weight of liquid displaced by a body, that is what? The loss of weight. What have you can it? Weight of body in air minus weight of body in the liquid, or not? By weight of body in air minus weight of body in water. So what happen? You can make it formula by W. Suppose weight of body in air is W, okay, and weight of liquid is W1, so W minus W1 by W minus, suppose weight of body in water W2. So this is the formula. So what? W is equal to weight of body in air. W1 is what? Weight of body in liquid, and W2 is what? Weight of body in water. So this is the formula to find the relative density of a liquid by using Archimedes principle. Okay, so next video we will do some numericals. Thank you.